The next time someone tells you Yoruba people don't have soup, it's only omiobe and ewedu then they chop. Before you agree or disagree with them, the question you should be asking them is how many Yoruba soups do they know? For example, this is Bokolisha, and there's a chance that they don't even know about the soup. Yes, they will be saying Yoruba people don't have soup. Bokolisha soup is native to the Kale and Ilaje people of Ondo State. Some Ijebu people also eat it. It's made from Bokolisha seeds. This is what the seed looks like. It is then blended into this powdery form. Making Bokolisha soup is very easy. It follows the same process as ogbono, only that you can't mix Bokolisha with heated palm oil like we do for ogbono sometimes. This soup is very delicious. The Bokolisha seeds is very fragrant. Those who know it can easily tell it's been made by just perceiving the aroma. The seeds are quite scarce these days. My mom had to send me the powder all the way from home. God bless you, mom. So I can understand when people say they don't know it. Like I said on Okpeyemi Farmer King and Washire's post yesterday, many times people's claim about Yoruba people not having a variety of soups are based on what they do not know. So if you know Bokolisha soup, hit like and tell me when last you ate it. If you don't know it, hit like, say thank you, and let us know if it's something you would like to try. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more recipes.